Hey squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a car seat gap filler. And we see for the product they do call it drop stop. And right here we see they do show you guys the image of what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. So pretty much it's a product for you guys to put it in between your seat. So that way once you guys do set it up, if you guys drop like food, your cell phone, or anything important, it won't go through, which is pretty awesome. And the way how they designed the product is basically like a universal fit. So it doesn't matter what car you guys do put it on, it should fit. And right here they do provide you guys information in terms of what is actually on here when you guys do fuel it. And when you guys do purchase it, it's supposed to come with two of them. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open up, that is basically what the product looks like. But it's how one of them, since both of them are the same. Alright, so first the inside they do provide the user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. So really cool how they do provide the image of each different step to show you guys how to set it up. So inside the package they do provide the credit card light that you can use as a light option if you guys want to. So just like this. It's a credit card size and you just put it into your pocket. And right here we do have the slip-free pad that you can put onto your car anywhere you want. So that way if you guys put your phone on there, that way it will not slip off or fall off as easy, which is pretty cool. So all you guys need to do is just peel out this part right here when you guys are ready and just stick it onto your surface wherever you guys want to use it. But last but not least, we do have the actual part right here. So like I mentioned, both of them are the same. So I'm actually to show you guys what one of them looks like. So right here, you see we do have the brand logo. Right here, we do have the hole or the gap where you can put in the seatbelt. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material that feels really nice as well. But the whole setup process and everything shouldn't take that long. It should be pretty simple. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys what it looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. So all you need to do is just insert it in like this. And just push it in between the gap. So just like that, and it's all set. So very easy and very simple way to set it up. And now if you guys drop something on here, it won't fall down. And now you can bring back up the back seat as well. So if you guys do end up dropping stuff on here, it can't go down anymore, which is pretty nice. So really cool, awesome product you can see. Welcome back guys. So now it's a quick test of the product. It definitely actually does work and she works quite well. If you see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. It's actually very easy and very simple. If you guys follow the instruction correctly, then you should be fine. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to use the other accessories that provide for you guys in terms of credit card light and the slip pad option, feel free to do so. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys will need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality gap filler that you can use to put in between your car seat. So that way I can't drop anything between it anymore. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't wanted these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.